Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So actually in this device we've got two different options to choose from, and of course I will show you both. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and for the very first option let me show you the most predictable one, let's say. So let's tap on the settings in the left upper corner, and on the second position we've got the timer, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here we've got actually four options to choose from. Now the timer is off and this option is marked, but we can set also 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to set the timer, just tap on the time you want to use, for example 5 seconds, and as you can see it immediately appears right here. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course it will work for other options, so you can set 10 seconds delay or 2 seconds delay. And now let me show you the second option, the second way to set the timer, and all you have to do is make sure that you're on the photo mode, just like now, and tap on the shutter button and swipe your finger up a little. Let me show you. And as you can see here we've got the timer options, and on this method we've got actually 11 options to choose from, because we can set either 1, 2, 5 and so on until 10 seconds delay, as you can see, and we can go back with this shutter button to its normal place, and then we will immediately take a photo. So let me set for example 6 seconds delay, and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 6 and it will take a photo. Of course if you would like to turn off the timer, then you will have to go back to the settings, tap on the timer and tap on off. Let's get back, and as you can see from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.